Alright guys, so here we go with a new video and I haven't been posting a lot recently. It's carnival in here, so most of the time it's party and stuff. But anyway, today, by the way, I think maybe I'll be doing a video about that just to share with you the vibe we have in Brazil. Like all the country go crazy during this period of carnival. Really fun stuff. And yeah, anyway, this is a very quick video. So just a couple minutes ago, one of my students come to me and told me that like his campaign isn't working, like he's not making sales. Basically what he did is like what you are seeing in here. This is his targeting, and and he have like this same ad set 3 or 4 or 5 times duplicated and not getting any sale. So once I've seen it, I've seen like a lot of mistakes, and I thought that I should make a video just in case somebody else is doing the same mistake. It might be helpful. So what I see in here, the bad thing I see, like first thing that pops in my eyes is and must also match and also match, like it's narrowed like many times, like it's you narrow first time, second, third, fourth, fifth. And Facebook right now, this kind of approach, maybe in 2016 and the beginning of 2017 it was working fine. Like you help the pixel, like I want this audience. And the more than now, I remember, like I've been running some campaign and I've been narrowing like 7 times and it was doing well. But right now Facebook don't like this. The algorithm is changing and they want you to give them one single interest. And if you notice, when you target like when you narrow your audience like twice or 3 times, your CPM go higher because you give more work to Facebook. Ideally just one interest. And the other thing I see, in every interest there is like tons and tons and tons. Normally what you should do is you try to have an audience between 500,000 and more. Before it was recommended to have 70,000, 100,000. It was working fine. The end of 2017 things changed a little bit. So now the bigger the audience, the better. So you try even to have like 1 million, 2 millions. It's perfect. Even more. So one audience, if for example we do this, the beauty box, and in case the beauty box is only 700, or let's say 300,000 people, so it's not enough, then you add an extra one just to have a little bit more volume and give the pixel some how to say that in English, like bigger area to play with. Okay, so the first error, narrowing a lot, doesn't work anymore. Second error, having many interests. Third error is having the number quite low. Ideally, you go with the as I told you, like 500,000. Even 500,000 right now it's a little bit low, so you go broader than this. And what else I'm seeing in here? Engaged shopper, fine, it works. Use, yeah. Overall, like that's the thing that have to be fixed. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. It was really quick video because I just received this and I thought that you guys gonna get some value out of it, because I know I received many requests for making video about Facebook marketing and stuff. So this one, I think it would be pretty useful for some of you, and if you found it useful, don't forget to thumb up And if you want me to talk about something specific, like you have some topics or suggestions, just leave me that on the comments and I'll take that in consideration like for my next videos. And yeah, that's it. Ciao. Have a great day. Ciao.